are back at it with another one. We are talking today about business credit. So why is it so important? Business credit is like personal credit. If you have a great score for your business, you get better access to loans, insurance, things like that, because they feel like you're more trustworthy and more safe when you're borrowing money. So when starting out your business, you want to get extra funding. You want to have some money set aside so you can grow your business, whether it be inventory, equipment, capital equipment. You're going to need like laptops, computers, things like that. Might as well get it on business credit and save your cash for a rainy day. Start building your credit, business credit, as soon as possible. Startups can do this as well. So why is business credit important? If you have poor credit, they may not be willing to sell you a car. You might have crazy, enormous interest rate. You definitely want to have, in the same sense, a great business score. You are going to get better products, more funding to grow that business. So when I started my med spa, I had an enormous amount of capital requirements. The medications, Botox, fillers, their training courses, all of that costed money. You have to get business credit. Starting your business can be a pretty tedious task, but you have to do it correctly in order to start building your business credit. One, think of your business name and go to the state that you're in and apply with them. Apply for all the business licenses you may need. Once you're in it, things will pop up that you'll need. So just make sure everything's in order. It's all the same address for each. It's all under the same business name. Do not intermix your personal with your business. You want to keep those two entities separately. If you have really good credit, you might just need to start off with a business credit card and then move on to business loans. My first business credit card was the American Express Gold Card, and I cannot tell you how happy I am with the card, and it is growing my business, and it is also growing my business credit, which is very important when I later on want to expand and I'll need more money. To do so, I can get a credit line or a business loan. Please use them responsibly. You do want to have a good business credit. This is not just gaming the system and getting money. So first things first, when you are applying for your Amex card, if you're a startup, I would suggest putting down, when they ask you how much income, anticipated income you have, just go ahead and use your full-time income. If you're working a 9-to-5 job, just use that income for that. Hopefully you'll make more with your side business, your hustle, whatever. But in the meantime, to get approved, you would want to use your credit. Some of the perks of having an American Express Business Gold Card is the $70,000 membership points when using up to $10,000 on approved purchases. That's a lot of points. So guys, definitely look into it. It's an overwhelming recommendation. Being transparent, there is an annual fee of $295. You more than make up for it by the end of the year. Of course, this is only my opinion. I am not a financial advisor.